Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Are you all fine? Very good. Are you washing your hands? Yes, I know you are washing your hands because you know that it will keep you safe and healthy. Yes. So, dear students, what we are going to do today is we are going to do a creative writing in the form of an essay. And the topic would be a strange discovery I made. You are understanding the topic? What is meaning by strange? What is meaning by discovery? No, it's not clear? Okay, let me tell you. Let me tell you what is the difference between discovery and invention. So this is clear to you now that we have to write about a discovery, not an invention. Discovery is something that already exists and you feel it, you discover it, or like you notice it for the first time. It came in your notice for the first time, but that thing was already existed. And invention is that you discover something, like you invent something for the first time. जो पहले किसी को नहीं पता था ऐसी कोई चीज़ एग्जिस्ट भी कर सकती है एंड आपने उसको फर्स्ट टाइम इन्वेंट किया, उसका पर्पस भी बताया. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके नाउ व्हाट इज मीन बाय स्ट्रेंज? स्ट्रेंज डिस्कवरी कोई भी हो सकती है, कोई भी अजीबोगरीब सी डिस्कवरी जो आपने देखी हो, फील की हो, ऑब्जर्व किया हो आपने, कुछ ऐसा कुछ आपके नोटिस में आया हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप कहीं घूमने के लिए गए हैं एंड ओवर देयर यू नोटिस समथिंग. दैट कुड बी एनी थिंग जो कि किसी और ने नोट ना किया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू एंड योर कजन्स आर प्लेइंग, बट वो चीज़ सिर्फ आपने नोट की और किसी और को नहीं पता चली. ओके, देन दैट इज योर डिस्कवरी. एंड फॉर एग्जाम्पल आवर फीलिंग्स, you are having so many different feelings. Sometimes we feel sad, sometimes we feel happy, right? For example, feeling of love for me. When I became a mother, I discovered that what is the feeling of being a mother is. That was my discovery. That feelings exist. That feeling exists. That how a mother feel about the child. But that was me for the first time to discover it because I felt it for the first time. Any other thing could be your school day or a picnic trip. For example, the first day of your school, you were so scared that there will be so many new faces and a new place. How will I adjust? How will I feel? Who will be taking care of me? And then you discover, no, it's a good experience. There are so many new friends you can make, and there is teacher for you who is taking care of yourself. So this is another discovery. So these are the things you can discuss and you can do your creative writing in your own way and tell me about a strange discovery which you made. Okay? Can you tell me or you need more examples? Okay, let me give you another example. For example, when we are sitting in a dark room or when we are looking at the sky, automatically we are like feeling and we are observing that the clouds are combining and they are making shapes, different shapes we observe. You can talk about them. Or for example, when you are sitting in dark, you feel like from somewhere a light is coming or different colors are combining or they are making a shape. This is your discovery. You can discuss even that. I think now a strange discovery by you can easily be made. Okay, dear students, till your next lesson, take care of yourself and do this topic nicely. I hope the concept is clear to you now. Okay, don't forget to subscribe our channel, The Country School Pakistan, and hit the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.